Hello friends, myself Dr. V.N. Deshmukh, Associate Professor at Sudhakar Rao Naik Institute of Pharmacy, Pusat. Friends, today we will study high performance thin layer chromatography. In short, it is also called as HPTLC. It is the modern form of thin layer chromatography. The principle is similar to that of the thin layer chromatography, but in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography, an automation is done in which a pre-coated plates are used, automatic sample application is done, new type of development chambers, scanners are used in the process. The result which is obtained, it is errorless, and the principle behind the high performance thin layer chromatography is the adsorption chromatography. As in case of the thin layer chromatography, it is a adsorption chromatography in which the stationary phase is solid in nature and the mobile phase is liquid in nature. Depending upon the affinity towards the stationary phase and the mobile phase, the separation of component takes place. The components having more affinity towards stationary phase, they will move slowly, and the components having more affinity toward the mobile phase, they will move fast, and thus the separation of the components will take place. So, high performance thin layer chromatography, it is a modified form of thin layer chromatography, or you can say that it is an atomization of thin layer chromatography to reduce the error and to get the accurate result. So, in this case, this is the applicator which is used for the application of the test or the standard over the TLC plate. In this case, the pre-coated TLC plate, it is used for the application of the sample. Here this is the digital camera, so that after the development of the TLC plate, you can take the picture for further documentation. This is the automatic development chamber, or you can use the twin tuff development chamber can be used. This is the scanner which will scan the TLC plate, that is the high performance TLC plate can be scanned using this scanner. In case of the high performance thin layer chromatography, the spots, they are applied in the form of the bands. They are applied in the forms of the bands, and when the development takes place in this way, the development will take place and the components which are present, they will get separated out. They will get separated out. This is the image which is taken by the digital camera in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography. So, in this way one can observe the separated compounds by means of the high performance thin layer chromatography. So, in this case, the sample, it is applied in the form of the bands, with the help of this automatic applicator. With the help of the automatic applicator, the sample is applied in the form of the bands. So, let us study the high performance thin layer chromatography. In this picture also, you can say that in our conventional thin layer chromatography, the spot is, when the spot is applied, it will get separated, and during the separation it will get increase in the size, but when the sample is applied in the form of the bands will not get increase in the size during the development. The size will remain as it is, so that the chances of the merging of the two spots into each other can be avoided due to the application in case of, or in the form of the bands. So features of the high performance thin layer chromatography, it is a sophisticated and the automated form of the thin layer chromatography, that is the modernization of thin layer chromatography, the use of pre-coated plates with stationary phase particle size less than 10 micron in diameter. So in this case, the pre-coated plates are used. Generally, the support is given by the alumni and the particle size is less than 10 micron. Due to the decrease in the particle size, there is an increase in the efficiency of the chromatography because of the increase in the surface area of the adsorbent or the stationary phase. Then wide choice of the stationary phase, depending upon our need, one can choose the different stationary phase as per as our need. And in this case, the pre-coated plates which are available, they are available in the standard size of 20 by 20 centimeter, and one can cut it in the different sizes as per as our need. Then there is a auto sampler, that is automatic. The test and the standard can be applied over the pre-coated HPTLC plate. New type of the development chamber such as the twin tuff of the development chambers can be used in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography. More efficiency because of the smaller particle size, as we have already discussed, the particle size it is less than 10 micron, and due to the decrease in the particle size, the surface area increases. So the high performance thin layer chromatography, it is more efficient. Then use of UV visible or the fluorescence scanner for qualitative and quantitative analysis. By means of the high performance thin layer chromatography, one can perform the qualitative as well as the quantitative analysis, and the detection or the identification can be done by using UV visible and the fluorescence scanner. Then improved data processing capabilities by use of software or the computers. So all the activities, all these automatic activities, they are managed by the software, and you will get a ready-made data, that is the RF value. The retention factor can be known on the computer screen in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography. That is, you will get a ready-made data, you will get the errorless data can be obtained by means of the high performance thin layer chromatography. Then the difference, if we see the difference in between the high performance thin layer chromatography and thin layer chromatography, you can understand that why the high performance thin layer chromatography, it is more better as compared to the thin layer chromatography. So the type of the chromatographic plates which is used, that is in case of the thin layer chromatography, a handmade plates they are used. In case of the high performance thin layer chromatography, pre-coated plates are used. Adsorbent layer, it is 200 to 250 mm. Here the layer is 100 to 150 mm. Then the particle size of the stationary phase or the adsorbent, it is 5 to 20 micrometer. Here it is only 4 to 8 micrometer, due to which there is an increase in the surface area of the stationary phase or the adsorbent. Then the application of the sample, it is a manual or semi-automatic, but here it is a fully automatic. As per as the computer programming, a known amount of the test or the standard, it is applied over the TLC plate. Then a shape of the sample, the sample is applied in case of plain TLC in the form of the spot, whereas in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography, the sample is applied in the form of the bands, as we have already discussed the beneficial effects of the bands. Then the spot size, it is 3 to 6 mm. Here the band, it is 1 to 2 mm. Sample volume, it is 1 to 10 microliter. Here it is very small in size, in volume, that is 0.1 to 2 microliter of this test or the standard it is applied. Number of the sample per plate, that is 15 to 20 samples can be applied to a full size plate. Here 40 to 45 samples can be applied at a time on a single full size plate. Then optimal development distance, 10 to 15 centimeter. Here only 5 to 7 centimeter it is sufficient for the separation of the components by means of the high performance thin layer chromatography. Then development time depends on the mobile phase. Here 40% less as compared to the thin layer chromatography, the development time will be required, because the length, it is the length to travel the mobile phase, it is less. Then quantization, it is manual. Here totally it is manual or it is instrumental. Totally it is automatic, it is instrumental. Then reproducibility of the result, it is very difficult to reproduce the result, whereas in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography, the result which is obtained, it is reproducible any time. Here you can see that the different things which are used in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography, that is first of all the selection of the chromatographic layer you have to perform, then the layer pre-washing is done and the layer pre-conditioning is done. So, the stationary phase, it is selected, the pre-coated plates they are used, then the pre-coated plates which are used, they are treated for the washing, pre-washing, or and then the pre-conditioning is done to increase the efficacy of the plates. If the plates are just taken out, then there is no need of the pre-washing, or if the plates are new, there is no need of the pre-washing, or if the plates they are stored properly, then these stages can be omitted. Then you have to prepare the samples and the standards, then application of the sample and the standard. So, here it is a automatic applicator which is used for the application of the sample over the TLC plate. You can manage the programming so that the known amount of the sample, known amount of the bands can be applied. Then these are the twin tuff development chambers. After the application of the sample, subjected for the development in case of the twin tuff development chamber. Then after the development of the high performance TLC plate, detection of the spot is done, scanning is done, and at last you have to perform the documentation. So, these are the different types of the scanners which are used for the detection, of the spots, for the scanning and documentation. So, this camera type of the photo documentation can be done in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography. So, all the operations they are done automatically. In this picture also you can see that this is the UV visible chamber, this is the development chamber, this is the applicator for the spraying of the reagent, the spray and the needle which is fixed at this applicator has been shown in this picture. Here you can see in this picture the applicator is applying the bands of the test and the standard over the TLC plate. In this case, the syringe, you have to fix here the syringe containing the test and the standard, and then the plunger, the pressing of the plunger, the pressure is applied with the help of the inert gas which is supplied to this applicator. In this picture you can see the chromatogram of the radix ginseng from the which is collected from the different places. So, in this you can see that here the extract of the radix ginseng is applied, which is collected from the different places, and to know what are the different chemical constants present in case of the ginseng which are collected from the different places can be known. In this case, the mobile phase, it is the chloroform, ethyl acetate and methanol water in the ratio of 15:40:22:10. In this way, the scanning of the band is done, and on the computer screen you will get this type of the graph. This blue line shows the graph depending upon the number of the peaks, you can determine how much number of the components they are present in that particular extract, and depending upon the area under the peak, you can determine the concentration of that particular component which is present in that extract. So, it can be used for both qualitative and quantitative analysis. Automatically you can get the peak, then the height of the peak and the area under the peak can be get. Ready-made data is available. So, in this way the peak can be seen for the particular components which are present in the extract or which is present in the test and the standard. Advantages of high performance thin layer chromatography: it promotes a high separation efficiencies, resolution of zones due to high number of theoretical plates. So, here the theoretical plate increases, due to which the separation efficiencies and the resolution is very high. Shorter developing times or analysis time, it will require a very less time. One can perform the high performance thin layer chromatography separation of the components in very less time as compared to the other chromatography. Lower amount of the mobile phase is required in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography, because for the development we have to use the twin tuff development chamber in which very small amount of the mobile phase is required. Then enormous flexibility, there is, you can use any type of the stationary phase, mobile phase, or any size of the plates can be used in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography. Parallel separation of many samples with minimum time required. At a time you can separate the components, or you can perform the qualitative and quantitative analysis for the test, standard and the other samples. Simplified sample preparation due to single use of the stationary phase, then the samples can be prepared easily, and the efficient data acquisition and processing, and you can get a ready-made data due to which you can know the, or you can perform the qualitative and quantitative analysis very fast in case of the high performance thin layer chromatography. Then the application of the high performance thin layer chromatography. High performance thin layer chromatography, it is widely used in the pharmaceutical industries for the quality control, content uniformity test, identity, purity checking can be done by means of the high performance thin layer chromatography. It is also used in case of the food analysis, in case of the quality control, additives, pesticides, stability testing, analysis of the submicron level of the aflatoxin can also be determined by high performance thin layer chromatography. It is also used in the clinical applications for the metabolism study, drug screening, stability testing. It can be used in case of the pharmaceutical industries. Then it is also used in the industry for the process development and optimization, in process quality control check and validation. It is used widely, that is in pharmaceutical industries it is used for the qualitative analysis, for the quantitative analysis of the formulations of the finished product, for the stability testing, or the herbal products can be analyzed by means of the high performance thin layer chromatography. It is also used in case of the forensic sciences for the poisoning investigations. So, the high performance thin layer chromatography, it is used widely, only it is expensive, that due to its automatic process, the apparatus, it is an expensive one. Otherwise the running cost of high performance thin layer chromatography, it is very less as compared to the other chromatography. So, this is all about the high performance thin layer chromatography. Thank you very much.